And we're back with part 3 of how to make your own AI chatbot slash agent. This video is basically going to show you how to download Cursor and set it up for your PC. So let's get into it. So to download Cursor, basically you go to the link of cursor.com. You find it, you sign in, or if you want an account, you make an account and then you press download for Windows or all downloads for Mac or Linux. I have already downloaded it again, so I'm not gonna press it. And yeah, let's get to the installation part and setting up. Okay, so now that we have downloaded Cursor, let's get to actually installing it. Press next. You can just leave it as it is, press next, and then it installs on its own. So yeah, it's an easy way to install it. It has no extra stuff. Setup is not complete. Exit setup, yes. Alright, so let me just open Cursor. I think it's an easy file to install, so it doesn't really need much time. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Yeah, this is Luna. But I will show you on video for our new project. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the next part, which is downloading Olama. Alright, I'll see you soon.